Build your team. Buy back your time.
Team is actually a lever that allows you to, again, buy back your time by delegating the lower level things that you don't physically need to be doing. That as your practice grows with new patient and retention and the patient population is growing, you need a bigger team to service those. When I scaled my practice from 5 employees to 10 employees, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, I had to build a system, an actual application engine. We built a website where a specific role could come apply for that specific role, where it went through all the things for them to understand our vision, our core values, our success, the questions they needed to answer, the skill sets we would need from them, and to make sure it was the right personality fit. We needed ways to encourage applicants. We had to begin marketing for employees just like we were marketing for new patients. We had to speak to employees that were in pain and the jobs they were in and provide for them a path to finding a much happier place to be a part of.